All right, so for classwork for the section 4.5, you just watched the guide notes and did the checkpoints. So for classwork, we're going to break it up a little bit different between pages 39 and 40. So basically what I want you to do on numbers 1 to, we'll do 1 to 11 odd here. So 1 to 11 odd on page 39 for classwork. And then I want you to do all the graphing in the next section. So you're going to do numbers 13 to 21 here. And then for the parallel line stuff, you can just do the odd. So this will be done with numbers 23 to 29 odd. You're going to take pictures of this classwork and put it on a form, and or maybe we'll try to do it on a nice doc, a Google Doc. One page have one picture, the other page have another picture. So before you started this assignment, I wanted to maybe do one question from each section. So we have identifying slope and y-intercept of the given equation. So why don't I try number 9 for you? So if we zoom in here on number 9, we're going to solve for y so we can get this in slope-intercept form. Sorry for the fuzz. There we go. So I'm going to do plus 2x here, plus 2x here, 8y equals 2x plus 5. Okay. So I believe this is going to come out to a fraction actually for both. So when I divide each side by 8, everything by 8, I'm left with y equals 2 divided by 8 is actually 1/4 x, and 5/8, I'm just going to leave it as plus 5/8. So the answer for number 9 is that your slope is 1/4 and your y-intercept is 5/8. So you'll definitely get some fractions on a lot of these, or some of these, so don't be alarmed if your slopes and y-intercepts don't come out nice and neat. Let me go ahead and, oh, these are matching. I didn't even notice. I think you'll do fine with matching. So you're going to have to solve these all for y. And then it looks like the slopes are similar. It's just a matter, these two are negative slopes. This one's positive slope. The y-intercept here is at like -3, -3 y-intercept. This one's at +3. So hopefully you can match those up just fine. Let's bring it, the other ones they gave you to graph are all too easy in slope-intercept form. So I'll do number 20 for you. It's too easy. You start at the y-intercept, so b is 0. B is 1. So I start here. And then the slope is -2/3. So that's going to tell me to go down 2 over 3. And then up 2, left 3. All right, and last but not least, I'll do one down here for you. There's not many you're doing down here, so let me do one of the evens as an example. So you're not doing this 26, but I can do as an example. So tell whether the two equations are parallel. So in order to decide if they're parallel, I have to see their slopes. So this one, it's already in slope-intercept form, so m equals 0.5. This one, not so much. So let's see what happens when I solve for y. I'm left with y equals -2x plus 5. That's it, right? Yeah, and so my slope is -2. So are those the same slopes? Definitely not. So I will put here not parallel. So that was just a little video to go along with your form that your doc that I want you to try to do these questions, take pictures of them, and put them on the doc. Have a nice day. Email me with questions.